In today's video, I will walk you through how to add coins to your CoinMarketCap watchlist. To add coins to your CoinMarketCap watchlist, start by opening the CoinMarketCap webpage. When the web page is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and select the profile icon. From the profile menu, select the login option. You can enter your login details or choose another available login option. After successfully logging in, return to the main screen of the web page. Browse through the available cryptocurrencies and select the coin you want to add to your watchlist. For this example, select Ethereum, also known as ETH. You can choose any cryptocurrency you want to add. After selecting the cryptocurrency, the detailed page for that coin will appear. On the cryptocurrency page, look for the star icon. This icon is usually located near the top of the screen. Select the star icon to add the cryptocurrency to your watchlist. Once the star icon is selected, the coin will be added to your watchlist. To view your added coins, go back to the dashboard section of the web page. Find the section labeled Watchlist. Here you can view and manage all the cryptocurrencies you have added. You can continue adding more coins by selecting other cryptocurrencies and choosing the star icon on their pages. Your CoinMarketCap watchlist is now set up with your selected cryptocurrencies. You can access this section anytime to view your added coins. Thank you for watching.